Anybody getting snow in your neck of the woods? It's about 13 degrees.
Hope everyone's staying warm.
Yeah, I hope everybody's staying warm. We probably got another few days of this cold weather. I think it's going to get a little colder over here in Michigan. Just thought we'd do a little bit of video. The roads ain't too bad. We don't have too much snow. We just went to pause a video and apparently we lost it or something. We might have had some deer in the other one, but
You might still be able to post.
yeah, we might be able to pull it out. I don't know.
I see lights.
Headed to Poorville. Yeah, we're still working over there. We took a load in, probably
A week ago, maybe?
a week or so ago. We took in some electric motors and some breakage and aluminum siding and
Electric motors, wasn't it?
electric motors, and we made about $240. Weather's been so bad. It's been so got some snow a few times and haven't really been able to get out. Everything's froze. I got some piles pushed up, but I picked through them a little bit. We had a couple of warm days a few days ago. Got out there and moved some stuff around. Trying to stay warm the last few days. It's been pretty cold. Let's come over here to feed our chickens. 3 eggs today. We got them all in together. I think I said that and we got cut off our video, so. But they're doing good. They're warm. Got them some straw. Feeding them good. Now, computer's pretty cool. Internet can be a pain, I guess, sometimes, but chicken's body temperature is, I believe it's 106. So that helps them keep warm, and they create, there's some kind of a critter crossing the road up there.
Yeah, I think.
I don't know if that's a cat or probably a cat. They create, I think it's 5 bolts from their body. So when they're all gathered together, we got, how many, Debbie?
We got 16 chickens.
Yeah, we got 16 chickens. So that helps them keep warm when they gather like that. And their temperature's 106 degrees normally. They say they do pretty good in the winter, but not so good in the summer and the heat. But of course, in the summer you can give them a lot more space to run around, or depending on how you got them.
And just keep them watered.
Yep, keep them plenty of water. Debbie, and when it's real hot, she'll freeze big things of ice and take it out to them. Our chickens are pretty spoiled. Well, our cat is too, but our chickens are spoiled.
That's okay though.
And we've been getting quite a few eggs. So we're doing pretty good on eggs for now.
I see if I see deer over this area.
What's that?
I was trying to see if I seen deer out there.
Yeah. Yeah, we just seen a bunch of deer. I'm going to try to, if that video come out without, because I think we shut it off. I'm going to try to record that one. was over by the other place.
Probably.
Usually we see them along this road. My neighbor got a bunch of wood. Now this property here's for sale, not too far from Portville here. What they want for that? 260,000
Yeah.
for like 50 acres.
Yeah.
Debbie said she'll write out a check.
Yeah. I get right on that.
We got this place here for sale. We want 350,000 for it, or less. We would take less. We're open to negotiation, or we might take a lot less. Actually, I would take a lot less.
Oh yeah.
Try to put my gloves in my pocket so they'll be nice and warm tomorrow when I come out. I'm not planning on coming out today. It's too cold. Debbie usually opens the door, so I got like a half hour to kill. Oh,
Hey. Yeah.
maybe we can see now. Yeah, I don't like driving this in the salt, but they haven't been doing too much salt. Got the cord on this thing. Yeah, I got rid of a lot of the stuff that was on this trailer. Still got some more stuff on here. I've been really taking in any copper wire or brass. This has got, I think, a few things that was on the trailer, and I flipped it off. It was pretty heavy. There's snow in it and whatever is under it. Been working next door there, got the curtain down, been painting in there, and we've used the other side of the house for storage here for quite a few years. We got it pretty much cleaned out and freshening it up and put new floor in there and new flooring, and probably gonna try to put it on the market this spring. We got a sign out here, but gonna put it through the realtor. A lot of stuff's gone. We still got more to get. I would walk out back, but it's pretty cold out there. This is the tinnish pile. I got stuff piled out here. Been bringing it from out back and taking it from out back, and the old Chevy there. That's outside. It's covered somewhat. Another thing I didn't get to. That's life. Well, I hope everybody has a good day. Stay warm. Goodbye now.